Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the PASSUS Surge Protector Power Strip Tower. You can get this product on Amazon for about $30. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. The tower is small and lightweight and doesn't take up too much space. The tower has 4 different on-off switches. Unfortunately, none of those controls the USB ports. The user manual states that one of the switches controls the USB power supply, but that's not true. The tower works pretty good and fits perfectly on my computer desk. I tested the tower for about a week and it's a great addition to my computer setup. The only thing I don't like about the tower is that you can't turn it off completely. The USB ports are always turned on. So if you are looking for a power strip tower with a long extension cord, surge protection, overload protection, separate on-off switches and USB ports, I would recommend the PASSUS Surge Protector Power Strip Tower. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.